Welcome back to Yummy with Mommy. Today we'll be showing you how to make barbecued sirloin steak. So first things first, this is what the steak looks like and this is what we will be marinating. So prepare our marinade in this bowl right here. And to start off with, we'll add 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, followed by a teaspoon of ginger paste, half a teaspoon of red chilies, half a teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce, and we'll mix this all up, get it nicely mixed, and once we're done mixing it, this will be our marinade onto each of the 2 steaks. Okay, so now we're ready to marinate the steak, and we're simply going to pour the marinade all over just like this. Use our spoon to spread. Flip it over on the other side and do the same thing. And we will let this marinate for about 30 to 40 minutes. So you want to make sure this sits for 30 to 40 minutes so that all of that marinade that we put on there seeps nicely into the meat, so that when we throw it on the grill, we will have a really nice tasting steak. So we'll come back after 30 to 40 minutes when we're ready to put this on the grill, and we'll show you what this looks like once we're barbecuing it. So we're barbecuing this steak, as you can see here on the grill, and it's been about 10 minutes so far, and we won't be barbecuing this for too long because we like to have this in a medium to rare cut, or grill rather. And so we'll show you what this looks like when it's finally ready, and we'll see you then. So this is what the steak looks like after we've cooked it on the grill, and it's now ready to serve. So pretty easy recipe that's particularly great for the summertime. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a like. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing, and we'll see you in the next video.